Today is E-Day. The big day for Ethereum is here, and there's been mixed motions, mixed expectations in the lead up. Just a few days ago, it was expected with a great deal of certainty that the Ethereum ETF was not going to be approved. Now it very much looks like the Ethereum ETF will be approved. I've been doing some research this morning to present to you some bias on what I believe is going to happen. Should the ETF be approved, what we will expect. Should the ETF be denied, what we can expect in terms of price action. Found this very interesting tweet earlier from 𝗥𝗘𝗖𝗢𝗠𝗠𝗘𝗡, basically saying that his best guess is around 4 p.m. today, which is Eastern Standard Time. That would be around 9 p.m. UK, 10 p.m. European, I guess around midnight if you're in the Middle East. We're going to expect a decision and some news around the Ethereum ETF. It was at 3:45 p.m. Eastern Time where they announced the Bitcoin ETF. Also, Nick over at Coin Bureau is basically now saying that the ETH discount model is now 7.2. So it's still at a 7% discount. Basically, how much it's priced in is the best way to explain it. Is it priced in? Is it not? Well, we're going to uncover that in this video, and we can see right now Ethereum is still very much looking bullish. We're at $3,800 at time of recording. We've got a nice bull flag set up if we get the approval, and the breakout target of that is pretty beautiful. So in this video, we'll be looking at the price action, of course, for the lower time frame. I'm going to be showing you the daily for Ethereum, and I'm going to be showing this very interesting weekly Ethereum log curve model as well. And should the ETF get approved, well, the price target is very, very interesting. So let's get ready for this one. Smash the like button, and if you're new, welcome. Subscribe, have the bell turned on, and let's talk about the price action for Ethereum and the likelihood of what's going to happen today. I'll make a very quick mention for anybody that is a trader, wants to trade crypto, of course, including Ethereum, altcoins, meme coins, doesn't like KYC, doesn't like the fuss of it, maybe is restricted by their region. Check out Blowfin, link in the description below. Great crypto exchange, and using my link, it will direct you to this page and you'll get up to 5k bonus. Also, check out Apex Pro, which is a decentralized exchange, self-custody. You just click trade, you can connect your wallet, and you can just trade directly on chain. No BS, simple trading, derivatives, permissionless, easy to use. So let's talk about the price action right now. I will end the video on Bitcoin, so stay tuned for that. It's important to know what's going on. But let's first up look at the high time frame for Ethereum. This is the Ethereum log curve zone, and you can see that we're still in the kind of underbought territory. We're in this green zone, and we're making our way higher, and you can see just to get to previous all-time highs, which Bitcoin's done, by the way. Ethereum hasn't, because it's been stunted by the Ethereum ETF decision, or speculation of it being approved, not approved. Well, we can see now that the all-time high at 4,850 approximately, it would take us, it's about a 27% move, and in my opinion, we'd still be in the resistance of the underbought category. And spoiler alert, if the ETF approval happens today, I believe we're going straight to that level in a quick flash move. I would not be surprised to see $5,000 tagged. Even today, it is possible. If you're watching this after, during, let me know in the comments if I was right, if I was wrong. Happy to be wrong. That's if the Ethereum ETF is approved. Of course, many are going to be wondering, well, how low can we go if the ETF approval is not so, if it's denied? Well, I think you have to look at this chart, okay? This is the daily chart for Ethereum, and you can see that in terms of daily support, yes, the daily support is at $3,700. It's going to be a little bit about the rhetoric. I mean, if it comes out that they say the Ethereum ETF is denied, but we're going to delay the hearing until X date later in the year, that may not be terrible, and it may mean a retracement only down to around 3,700. On the weekly, Yeah, I mean the daily support would take you down to around 3,700. There is a possibility if it gets really, if it's a really kind of bearish announcement and they say not approved, can't do it for whatever reason, we don't know yet, then the breakout that we got just a couple of days ago, we could retrace back to. And in that case, we would need to look at the fib levels from the low to the current high. And these would be my levels for a denial. Okay, a bad denial, a denial where they don't give much hope. Golden pocket, I believe we will come back down to the low $3,000 range. Even $3,000 is possible. So these are the levels for an Ethereum denial, basically. Let's look at the trading range for Ethereum today. This is important. It is part of a bigger bull flag. And by the way, if you want to trade this as a bull flag, if we get the approval, then great. The target is beautiful. And it's a nice trade that you can put on with pretty minimal risk for reward. It's a 25% move. The breakout would take you up to about $4,400. But like I said, if we get the approval, I think we're going much, much higher than that. But let's look at the trading range for today. Okay, the technicals. We can't control the fundamentals, but we can look at the technicals. And at the moment, at time of recording, the resistance on the lower time frame chart is $3,830. The support is down at $3,600, but there is a middle line at 3,720. So these are the trading levels. Once again, if you want to trade and you want a bonus, you want a free crypto to try out, links below for Blowfin, great platform, easy to use. Apex Pro, BingX, Bybit, I've got you covered. If you want help with analysis, where you should enter, stop loss, take profits, check out this CoinGPT. It's a free Telegram bot. You can analyze any coin you like in any time frame, and the bot will give you a bias whether you should buy, whether you should sell, gives you the technical indicators. Great for beginners to intermediates. I highly recommend that, and it's free, so link down below for that. Now, we're going to finish things up here on Bitcoin. High time frame, you can see, you know, we're well supported in this log chart. The bull market support bands are currently at about 59k, so about 10,000 beneath us in terms of percentage, about 15% beneath us. The other thing I will show you is we are still creating these higher highs, higher low situation. We put in a new low. Will we put in a new high? I believe if Ethereum gets the ETF approval, Bitcoin will probably suck up some of that volume. But don't forget, a lot of people will actually be selling Bitcoin or swapping Bitcoin for Ethereum because they'll want to rebalance their position. And in fact, if we look at the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, that will actually be very relevant. So let's have a look at that together. Let me just find it. Just bear with me, guys. So Ethereum Bitcoin. So this is interesting. This is Ethereum priced in Bitcoin, and you can see it's been on a decline for the best part of the last couple of years, declining 50% against Bitcoin. But recently we've had the breakout, and Ethereum, if it gets the ETF approval, no doubt will break out against Bitcoin, and Ethereum could beat Bitcoin over the next few weeks, months, to about 50%. Meaning, if you hold one Bitcoin now, if you were to sell it, I'm not saying two, it's just an example. If you were to sell it for Ethereum now and the ETF is approved, the technicals suggest that you will have 50% more Bitcoin if you sell your Ethereum at the target. Basically, Ethereum will increase in value 50% against Bitcoin. I hope that makes sense. I hope I explained it okay. Right, guys, that's all for today's video. Let me know in the comments down below what happened so I can come back to the video and reply any questions. Let me know. Once again, CoinGPT in the description below. Get your analysis for free on Telegram. Really cool bot. You have to try it. You really have to try it. And obviously your trading exchange bonuses below. I am on Twitter at @MarzelCrypto. You can follow me there when I'm posting. When I'm not posting on YouTube, I'm posting there. Do check out any one of these videos on screen before you go. For example, my trade without KYC tutorial, and maybe another suggested video that pops up. See you on another one very soon, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.